Spidey-Man!
I made it again.
Guess why we named him Spidey-Man?
Why?
Because when he was first born, he had spider legs. So
Really?
he looked like, so we named him Spidey-Man instead of Spider-Man. Spidey-Man! Spidey-Man! Well, we first named him Spidey, but then we... Oh, get out!
I think he can't decide if it wants to eat me or attack me.
Hey, Chippy!
Is my finger tasty?
Sugar had a baby, but she doesn't have one right now due to the milk, so we can't do anything about it.